Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then tap on see all 55 apps, of course 55 in my case, and then tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others, disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.